Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding baby collection. Baby crochet romper designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet romper design. Those babies who loves to wear such type of romper design. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet romper design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of baby crochet romper design? Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.